So the neurographic art was a great example of organic shapes. Now I want to focus on geometric shapes. So you're going to take a piece of the final paper. Please make sure that you're getting final paper and not copy paper. And you're going to draw really nice, large geometric shapes. So remember, geometric shapes are shapes with a name. And I would say at least 5 to 6 shapes, and they can go off the page. So this is a circle that's going off the page. Maybe I'm going to come in and I'm going to have them overlap. Maybe I'm going to do something like a heart. Maybe some cool little square shapes here, rectangle shapes. And then I'm just going to keep adding whatever designs I want. Some half circles here. They can go right off the page. And then we're going to keep it really simple, really bold. Maybe a diamond. This kind of looks like a chicken's head. Okay, and then so 5 or 6 shapes. I'm obviously not done here. And then we're going to use our broad tip markers to color it in. To finish the shape or the geometric shape part of my artwork, I am going in with broad tip markers, which are just the regular markers on your table. If your markers are drying out, please don't use them. Ask me and I'll grab some new ones for you. If you are coloring, I'm going to ask that you take your time and try to make them as neat as possible. So what I would do is I would come in, I would kind of outline whatever shape you're working on, and having the shapes go off the page will make it look a lot more interesting. And then instead of scribbling back and forth with your marker, try going in and coloring where you can just add lines. We're going to keep it nice and simple. But then I would take part of that shape. So see how my circle cuts that oval into 2 parts? You're going to choose one of those parts and go over it with another color. Like you see I did with the triangle here. I went over it with red to create kind of this purple effect. But also keep in mind how colors mix. So I think I'm going to use blue because blue and purple play nice together. And I'm going to go in and change just a portion of the shape to make this a little bit more interesting. And by the time you finish this paper, all of the white spots will be gone, except for if you have like an area where you have white in mind. So like I like those little things above the heart. I was thinking about keeping those white, so I might do that. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Once you're done with this, upload it to Artsonia and keep it, because we are going to use this and the neurographic art to create one overall 3D artwork.